Hello everyone. Is Find My iPhone grayed out and won't let you turn it off? Here are some essential settings that you have to change to make Find My setting clickable. First settings is, please turn off SDP toggle off under the Face ID and passcode setting. If you have stolen device protection enabled, this requires Find My device to be enabled and won't let you disable it unless you turn off stolen device protection. So go to Setting app, scroll to Face ID and passcode. Again, enter your device lock screen passcode to access the next setting screen, then after look at the stolen device protection. And turn toggle off for this. You guys, this will take an hour to disabled. So please wait for an hour. Some case you can turn it off at same time if your device is at its familiar location. Now retry to disable Find My setting. If didn't work for you, please follow the next solutions. Solution 2 is, turn on location service on your iPhone. Turning on location services on your iPhone is super easy. Just follow these simple steps. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. At the top, you'll see Location Services. Tap on it. Toggle the switch to on. It should turn green. That's it. Now your iPhone can use location for apps like Find My iPhone, Maps, and Weather. So you can see Find My app required GPS to work very accurately. Solution 3 is, disable screen time on your iPhone. Disabling content and privacy restrictions in screen time on your iPhone is super easy. Just follow these steps. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Now tap on the Content and Privacy Restrictions. You might need to enter your screen time passcode. At the top, toggle off the switch next to Content and Privacy Restrictions. And that's it. All restrictions are now disabled, giving you full access to your apps and settings. For example, Location Services, Share My Location, Passcode and Face ID setting, and all of service on this list. My friends, this is most workable solution ever to turn off Find My on your device. If still not working, then next solution 4 is, sign out Apple ID and sign back in. Grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. Right at the top, you'll see your name and Apple ID. Tap on it to access your account settings. Keep scrolling to the bottom until you see Sign Out. Go ahead and tap it. If Find My iPhone is turned on, Apple will ask you to enter your password to disable it. Type it in and tap Turn Off. Your iPhone will ask if you want to keep a copy of certain data like contacts or calendar events. If you want to keep them, toggle them on. Once you're ready, tap Sign Out one more time to fully log out. It might take a minute or two. To log back in, go back to Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone at the top. Type in your Apple ID and password, then tap Next and follow on screen instruction. Solution 5 is reset all settings on your iPhone. If your iPhone is acting up, settings are messed up, or you just want a fresh start without deleting your data, resetting all settings can help. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Open the Settings app. Go to General. Now, scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, and from the options that appear, choose Reset All Settings. If you have a passcode set, you'll need to enter it for security. Your iPhone will ask you one last time. Tap Reset All Settings to confirm. Your iPhone will restart, and all settings will be back to default, and that's it. Now you know how to reset all settings on your iPhone without losing your data. Solution 6 is update your iPhone software. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS version in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and has at least 50% battery or is plugged into a charger. Now, open the Settings app and tap General. Next, tap Software Update. Your iPhone will check for the latest iOS version. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Enter your passcode if asked, then tap Install Now. Your iPhone will restart during the update, so just sit back and let it do its thing. So now let's try to change Find My settings on device. I hope this video found helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Have a great day.